You're all I need. You're all I see when I close my eyes and dream. You're all I see. You're all I need, all I need, all I need.
So, we've crossed over the Rhine. We were that side just now at a place called Breisach in France, which is a really excellent example of a fort town. So I flew the drone over it. And now we've come over the Rhine to Breisach. Well, so yeah, so this is the Rhine, that is France, this is Germany. We're here at this motorhome stop. It's €6 for a night. Really busy, as you can see, all the front row ones are taken. But it's really warm evening. I didn't fancy driving anymore, just want to sit and chill out. Yeah, so that's the bridge there that we came across. There's a site in the middle here, which is a little island in between the two countries. But we didn't go there. Yeah, as you can see, it's very popular. Just say get here for at least midday if you want a good spot, and you can stay a couple of days. So if you get a front pitch, oh, you're laughing, aren't you, really? Some of them will go really close together though, look, just to get to the front. I think it must just be, maybe it's just us Brits that, you know, keep our distance, space out, and then you do that and then someone else comes and whacks himself in between you. But yeah, lady was swimming in the Rhine just then. We've been told it's the most polluted river in Europe. Maybe that's just around the cities, and as it ventures through the countryside, maybe it gets better. But yeah, she's had a good old swim, not bothering her. She's going to climb up this mound now as well. Yeah, Briesach. I need to get back over to Rhine, but I feel rude walking through the gaps in them all. Is that a British thing as well? Should I just go bowling through? Don't want to. Don't want to. I'm going to walk all the way to the end again and back round. Be a good boy. There's a couple of bars and restaurants nearby, little cafes, ice cream places. See these boats down there. I think there's a restaurant on them. Yeah, so that's only half the Rhine, really, because the true width is about the island in the middle. But yeah. We're in Germany. Fantastic. You got the yacht marina next to us, Yacht Haven, Briesach. It's just a car park, but £6 for the night. Can't really go wrong. If it's good enough for a Morello, then it's good enough for me. Look at the payment kiosk. It says you only have to pay from 8 at night to 8 in the morning. So I've bought my ticket, it says it runs out at 8 in the morning. Now I think it's free during the day, you only have to pay overnight. As far as I can see anyway. There's the cafe. Currywurst mitpoms, £6.90. Bratwurst mitpoms, £5.90. So it's €1 for some curry powder. There we go. Handy little button, changes the language to English. Put in how long you want to stay, put your coins in, off you pop. 1 night €6, 2 nights 10, 3 nights 13. That's not bad. That's not bad. Have a walk into Breisach am Rhine later this evening when it cools down enough for the dogs. And there we are. See what I mean about leaving more space? No one's going to, well, you watch a little camp now, they won't. So yeah, service point over there. Get rid of your grey, fill up with fresh, dump your black. All part of the cost. Yeah. Das ist wunderbar. Alemannia. Danke. Okay. See you in a bit. Tschüss. Hallo, meine Frau.
It's nice now. Temperature's dropped.
It's bloody boiling, you idiot.
Yeah, but it's nice.
It's boiling. It's boiling. Oh, you're so sensible, Dolly. Staying in there. It's 7:30 at night and it's still 29 degrees. It's absolutely mental. Hottest car park I've ever been in. Isn't it?
There's some hot cars in there.
Lisa's in her element. She loves the evening
Getting
sun.
nicer now. It's too hot.
Oh, crikey. Pardon me. Onions again. Driving up, up into the mountains. I think we're just about 1100 metres up at the moment. Just had to pull over. Have a look at this view. See the cable car? There it goes. This is where we've driven up. Wow. Wow. Off he goes. Just run off the edge of a mountain. Sit yourself down, chill out. Ah, sorry? English.
Ukraine, nie?
Oh, Ukraine. No, English. You saw the UK. English. Hello. Wow. How cool was that? I actually thought we were Ukraine. Either because of the yellow and blue parachute guy just went over. Thought I was with him. Or because of the UK on the back of a van. Who knows? Right. Let's continue our little journey.